U.S. orders MQ-9B SkyGuardian drones for Taiwan. The U.S. Air Force has ordered 4 MQ-9B SkyGuardian drones from General Atomics Aeronautical Systems for Taiwan's armed forces. The procurement comes as the island nation continues to prepare for a possible Chinese invasion. According to the contract announcement, the company will also provide Taipei with 2 ground control stations, spare parts, and other support equipment. The total value of the contract is $217 million. Work on the contract will be carried out in California and is expected to be completed in 2025. The foreign military sale was first approved by the U.S. State Department in 2020, but at an estimated cost of $600 million. China monitoring. The MQ-9B SkyGuardian unmanned aerial vehicle is designed to provide persistent intelligence, surveillance, and reconnaissance. It can fly over the horizon via satellite for more than 40 hours, even in adverse weather conditions. The unmanned system can also be configured to support electronic warfare, airborne early warning, and anti-submarine warfare missions. Washington's procurement to Taiwan is seen as an effective way to monitor Beijing, which has increased its military activities near the self-ruled island. The first approved foreign military sale includes L3's Wescom MX-20 multispectral targeting system, Raytheon's Seaview multi-purpose maritime patrol radar, and Leonardo's Sage 750 electronic surveillance system. This proposed sale will enhance the recipient's ability to meet current and future threats by providing timely intelligence, surveillance and reconnaissance, target acquisition, and anti-land, anti-sea, and anti-submarine warfare capabilities for its security and defense, the U.S. State Department said in a 2020 statement. This capability will serve as a deterrent to regional threats and enhance the buyer's self-defense.